We're here with Mike. He's also known as Colambo. He's an avid Sovryn user. What's your favorite feature with Sovryn?
I mean, every new function which comes out on Sovryn, I try to discover because there's some very clever brains behind it. Zero, I subscribed, I'm an early user. Well, now I'm learning about the functions from Zero and thinking about use cases for my life. I have a business idea which I want to accomplish. I need money for this business idea, and right now my money a lot is in crypto. Therefore, I need to figure out how to get it out from crypto into the real world and use it for the real world. You open the Zero dashboard and you can convert either to stable coins, XUSD to ZUSD. You can open a line of credit, you enter your amount of collateral, which is in my case Bitcoin, and you enter the amount of US dollars, ZUS dollars you would like to borrow, and then you have a very simple explanation of all factors which will have an impact on your credit, on your agreement. Liquidation reserve, borrowing fee. The borrowing fee is $1, and your collateral ratio is 500%, which is really attractive. And then you confirm the transaction. The transaction you confirm also in your MetaMask wallet. Then you end up with ZUSD.